with an intense typhoon like Ramil, it could definitely be a destructive typhoon once it make landfall, particularly in the provinces of Cagayan, Apayao, and maybe even Ilocos provinces.
Yun nga po, hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin. Pero ang sabi nito mga kasama ko, ayaw nilang umalis dito kasi nga may paparating na bagyo.